Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the iPhone 12 mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, first apply heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. And then to lift the screen, need a good suction cup or something similar. In here, we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic cartwright tool or triangular picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove 2 screws to take off the shield on the bottom, and then undo 4 screws to take off the shield on top. Next, disconnect the battery, LCD, touch and earpiece assembly plugs from the board. Next, take out the broken screen and undo 4 screws to remove the earpiece and sensor assembly. Be gentle and peel the flex cable step by step. Next, on the new screen, add the earpiece and sensor assembly by adding 4 screws. Make sure the earpiece assembly sits fittingly on the screen. A quick note, it is good to connect the new screen and check the working condition before closing the device. Once the testing has passed, next add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against liquid. Next, insert the SIM tray and place the front screen on the body. First, connect the earpiece assembly, both LCD connectors and battery plugs to the board. And also make sure to place both shields by adding screws. Next, to clamp up the iPhone, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. Next, secure the phone by adding 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.